something very, very funny. Hi, Skeleton, I'm Rich. Hi, it's me, 뚜빈's mom. Oh no, today I'm not 뚜빈's mom. I am a witch. Welcome to my witch's house. Today we will read What's in the Witch's Kitchen. This is my house. What's in the witch's kitchen? Let's enter this door. What's in the fridge in the witch's kitchen? Open it left or open it right. Will you like what you see? Will it give you a fright? Okay, this is my fridge. Open it right. Ta-da! Taste the cheese. But remember, I am a witch. In my fridge, bats with fleas. What's in the bowl in the witch's kitchen? Open it left or open it right. Will you want to shout yuck? Will you cheer with delight? Okay, it's my bowl. Let's open it left. Ta-da! Toffee popcorn. It looks yummy. But remember, I am a witch. I like... Ta-da! Slimy frog spawn. What's brewing in the witch's kitchen? Open it left or open it right. It might not be dreadful, but then it just might. Okay, it's my brewing. Open it right. Nice strawberry tea. It smells really good. But I am a witch. I like... Ta-da! Nasty goblins wee. Ha ha! What's in the tin in the witch's kitchen? Open it up or open it down. Will you shudder with horror or grin like a clown? Open it down. Biscuits and cakes. It looks yummy. It's really good. But actually, in my tin, spiders and snake. Ta-da! What's in the toaster in the witch's kitchen? Open it left or open it right. Will it make your mouth water or turn your hair white? Okay, open it right first. Ta-da! Some crunchy hot toast. Wow, it looks yummy. But remember, it's my toaster. Ouch! A grumpy brown ghost. Oh, he's my friend. Oh, are you okay? What's in the dresser in the witch's kitchen? Open it up or open it down. Will you sigh with relief? Will your squills ring round town? Okay, open it up first. Ta-da! Baked bean soup and macaroni. Oh, I like macaroni. It's yummy. And then, ta-da! Something very, very funny. Hi, Skeleton, I'm Rich. What's in the jar in the witch's kitchen? Open it left or open it right. Will it be a nice surprise? Will you lose your appetite? Oh, it's a lollipop. But remember, it's my jar. Rabbit's blobs. Ooh. What's strange going on in the witch's kitchen? If your nerves can't take anymore, make your escape through the witch's back door. Here's the back door. Do you want to escape in my house? Okay, ready? Open! Boom! The end. Thank you for watching this video and congratulations on the escape from my kitchen. Bye bye. See you next time.